Optimize utility networks with smart map data analysis. Managing energy, gas pipelines, water, and telecom networks requires accurate, real-time spatial insights to enhance efficiency, safety, and planning. Our Utilities Map data analysis empowers you with precision mapping, identify underground assets and optimize infrastructure risk and maintenance planning, detect vulnerabilities before they become costly failures, regulatory compliance, ensure adherence to safety and environmental guidelines. Improved decision-making, streamline operations with AI-powered geospatial insights. Whether you need network expansion, asset tracking, or risk assessment, our data-driven approach ensures seamless utility management. Partner with Polosoft Technologies to design your utility network for success. Connect with us today. Call us USA +1 516 210 4482, India +91 797 874-6254. Email us info@polosofttech.com. Website https://www.polosofttech.com.